Congratulations, my awesome students. You have finished the majority of the course. Now, before you go on to the extra lectures that I got for this course, I want you to pay very close attention to this lecture right here because it's going to change your life, okay, for the majority of you. Now, as you can see here, I got over 500,000, over half a million students in Udemy at the time you're watching this. Now, by the time you're watching this, by the time some of you are watching this, I probably have over a million. I have over a million students right now all over the world, not just in Udemy. I got all the platforms that I'm working on and all the people that I work with. Now, why am I telling you this? I want you to get really excited because being a programmer means many different things. But for a lot of people, it means that you will never be jobless. You will never be without a job. You will always have a job. You will always have projects that you're working on. You will always have something that's coming to your financial situation, something good being a programmer. Okay? You cannot go wrong being a programmer. Now that we got that straight, okay? This is not the only business that I have, okay? This was just a hobby after I became very successful in my field. Okay, when I first started, I was making websites for people. And then I was making websites and applications for companies out there that pay me anywhere from $5,000 to $20,000 for applications or websites. Okay? Once you become good at what you do, people will pay you money to make things for them. Okay, and we as developers and programmers, that's what we do. We create things. We make things happen. And when we create those applications, there are people that are willing to pay for it. All you have to do is get the skills, and that's what you're getting here. I want you to consider me your mentor. Okay, because I'm going to take you from not having a job or maybe having a low paying job to having an awesome job or an awesome business. If you follow me, all you need to do is follow what I'm telling you right now to do, because I want to give you a shortcut. And you might be thinking, okay, why do you want to give me a shortcut, Edwin? Well, let me tell you why. Because if you become successful, I become successful. I'm not doing this for the money. I already have over 20 companies out there on the internet right now. Before even making courses, this is just a hobby. This was just a hobby and became a business later on. But this was just a hobby before. This is just a small part of my business. I got many different businesses out there, okay? And you can do the same. And I'm going to show you how to do it. But you first need the skills. And let me give you the instructions to do this, okay? So, now, after this course, what you need to do is take an amazing course that I got. And I'm going to show you what course that is. If you go to Udemy and you type in Edwin Diaz, okay? And just type that in. You're going to see all my courses here. All right. Now, the first course that you need to take in order for you to become a developer, I don't care what other course you see out there. This course here will show you everything you need to know. But we start with PHP as a programming language. But do not worry. I take you from not knowing anything about programming, just like I did in this course, to becoming a developer. Okay. That you will be able to get a job and even create a business out of this course. Okay. So this is the main course, but of course this course says $200. Do not worry about that. If you go to my website right here, okay, it's my website, and this is my car actually, believe it or not, this is my Lamborghini right there, and that's a post there. You can read about it later. But anyway, if you go to coupons here on this link here, I will give you a coupon that you can take this course for less than $20. Okay. All you have to do is click the picture or click the link below, and you will be taken to Udemy where the price is going to change. Okay? Now, I'm putting this in order. As you can see, I put this in order of importance because I want you guys to follow this. Take the PHP course, the next one, and then after that, once you know the PHP, which is procedural, then you take the object-oriented programming because you need that to go to an advanced level. Okay? And I have the coupon for that. All you have to do is click the link below it or click the image. And then after that, you have to learn about framework. Okay? Frameworks. And Laravel is the most popular framework for PHP. So procedural, object-oriented programming, and frameworks. And once you've done that, and in between these courses, I can even guide you more into other technologies. But these are the three main courses that you need to take to become not just like me, but even better than me. Okay? Because you got your own mind and I got mine. But inside this course, I provide everything. Inside these courses, I provide everything you need. Okay? So EdwinDiaz.com is a really good website for you guys to get in touch with me. As you can see right here, I got this little icon here right now. But you can contact me through Facebook, or you know, if you type in EdwinDiaz.com and you go to contact, you can contact me. You can send me an email, okay, a message, and that would be great. And I will answer it when I can. Okay, I got some testimonials there that you can follow and see, you know, all the people that have left some testimonials. I try to put them here. If you got a testimonial of yourself, submit it. Fill up the form, submit it to me. I will put it right here. Okay, if you have a website, I might put the website here too. You know, so if you go to resources, okay, you know, in resources here, I provide the services that I use that are better. You know, and I don't care. Some of these companies pay me money to advertise it, but I only put the companies here that give me the best, that give you guys the best service. So if I have a different hosting company in the future, that's because this company wasn't working right. So I'm always updating these links. These are the tools that I use. But anyway, I also have a Facebook. You can always go to Udemy. Somewhere in your Udemy, on my profile, you are going to see, if you go to the instructor profile, you're going to see my links, the YouTube links, Facebook links. And if you can't find them there, you will find the information here. You can see the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and all that stuff. Okay? And if you look at the homepage, you can see my blogs, my thoughts. Okay? And if you go inside those, you're going to see more information. You can subscribe to a newsletter that I got there. You can make comments here. All right? So I got all the tools you need here. Just follow my advice and you will do great. But you need to finish the courses, because I see some of you that, you know, they start, you guys start the course and you don't even want to finish it. And then you go jump to the next one. You need to finish one, go to the next one, and then once you finish the other one, go to the next one. That's the only way you are going to succeed in this game. Okay? By finishing what you start, by not really getting impatient. You need to take it one step at a time. This is not something that you're going to do overnight. Okay? You need some time for this. So, 1, 2, all right, hold on. Actually, I have them right here in order. 1, that's the first course, OOP and Laravel. All right? PHP procedural, OOP, and Laravel. Those are the three main courses, and I'm always going to keep this up to date. So if for some reason this coupon is not working, I want you to go to the contact page, and I want you to tell me, hey, Edwin, send me a message and tell me, Edwin, listen, this is not working. Put your name here, and hey, this is not working. This is not working, whatever. Just send me a message, all right? And my email is super easy, edwin@edwindiaz.com, just in case this is not working either. You never know. I got a lot of students. I got a lot of different businesses, and it's hard for me to keep in touch. There is also a YouTube video here. If you click here, this is gonna take you to YouTube, and that's just gonna show you the video here and some of the comments that some of you already have made. Okay. So I even got some of the stuff here from Udemy in there. But just come to this website if you need any help, or just make a comment. Take one of these courses. Take the course. Remember, it's not $200. It's going to be a lot less if you go to coupons here. Okay, I'm going to copy this link. Copy image address. Let me see if I go to Amazon, Firefox, because I'm already logged in. And that's just going to take me to my, let me just say right here. Actually, let me see, copy link address right here. And if I go there with the coupon apply, you can see that you can take this course for $13.99 at this time. 93% off. This is just what it says now. And you can see my review, guys. I got 4.4. That's a really good review. Even reviews after 4.0, it's still good. You will learn everything you need to know in this course. And then when I take it to the next level, OOP, take it to the next level, Laravel. All right. So I wish you the guys the best. And if you ever need me, you know I'm just a message away. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next lectures, or I see you on the next courses. Take care.